com.hovans.autoguard. A special thank you to Geico Insurance,
a proud founding partner who shares and supports the mission of the Black Information Network.
Fair Fight promotes fair elections around the country by encouraging voter participation, providing election education, and voter suppression outreach. To learn more, log on to fairfight.com. That's fairfight.com.
you've got a voice. We've got a hotline. Call the Black Information Network at 855-500-9BIM.
The Black Information Network.
The opinions, beliefs, and viewpoints expressed in this commentary are those of the author and do not necessarily represent those of BIN and its founding partners and employees.
I'm Mo Kelly on the BIN with your 2-minute warning. Maybe you're not old enough to remember how Republicans and Fox News tried to turn American voters against Barack Obama by using Reverend Jeremiah Wright as some boogeyman to allege Obama actually hated America. Remember that? I do. Now, taking that exact same page out of that exact same book, Sean Kennedy is hoping to recapture that same magic, trying to pasture shame Vice President Harris for her connection to civil rights activist and icon Reverend Amos Brown. Note how I correctly pronounce the man's name, Amos, because anyone familiar with the man or who has read the Bible knows how to pronounce Amos. Clearly, Sean Hannity is familiar with neither. Listen to this.
Kamala, she doesn't want to talk about that now. She probably also doesn't want to talk about her beloved pastor. Oh, you're going to love this. We have a brand new Reverend Jeremiah Wright. His name, Reverend Dr. Amos Brown. Now, last year, on the official vice presidential Instagram account, Kamala posted a glowing picture of the Reverend with the caption, quote, "Oh, it's always an honor to spend time with my pastor, Reverend Dr. Amos Brown of the Third Baptist Church of San Francisco. He remains a source of inspiration to me always." Now, this is the same pastor that told the San Francisco Chronicle, quote, "I know America. America's a racist country." And the very same pastor who blamed racist America for 9/11/01 only 6 days after we lost 2,970.
Same song, same lyrics, just new remix. I'm Mo Kelly at Mr. Mo Kelly on social media, and that's your 2-minute warning on the Black Information Network.